Welcome to Austria.
There are many ways to get to Vienna from Bratislava. The best way is taking a 90-minute riverboat ride on Danube from center of Bratislava to Schwedenplatz in Vienna.
As we had an active morning in Bratislava already, we decided to take it easy on our first day in Vienna. So we just chilled out and got ourselves ready for the next day.
Main objective of the first full day in Vienna was to make it to the Danube Tower on the north side of the river.
Castles and stuff.
We're now walking to that little tower there. Should be about an hour's walk. Let's see what happens. So we walked over the canal, through the oldest Baroque park in Vienna, on random streets, overpasses, along the river and over the river, until we made it.
So after about 2 hours of walking, we finally made it here. Was it worth it? I think so. So we made it down from the tower, and would we do it again? 2 hours walk? Probably not. Will we walk back to the city? No, we're gonna get ourselves an Uber. Once back in the central, we just wandered through the narrow and wider streets of the city and realized that people in Vienna don't Uber, they horse. Well, the tourists anyway.
A little more of the soaking in the grandness of the city, and then off to the night.
Day 2. Main objectives, Riesenrad and art, also known as Kunst.
Kunst, 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 Kunst. Both north and the south bank of the Danube Canal walls are brilliant canvas for street art, which we checked out on our way to Riesenrad Ferris wheel.
Hey yo, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. So I brought the kid to an amusement park.
Riesenrad was built in 1897 and was one of the first Ferris wheels ever.
Ride itself on over 100-year-old wheel looked and felt a little like this.
How's it? Well, that was borderline exciting and terrifying. Getting down from the heights needs to be rewarded with ice cream and park time.
Followed by a lovely Vienna schnitzel in one of the many food places in Nachtsmarkt.
And what would a birthday be without a Geburtstag Apfelstrudel?
Wanna see what it looked like? Check out our Instagram feed.
Mine, your own candid camera.
Day 3 in Vienna and the last day of our trip. It was sunny, it was warm, and equipped with our backpacks, we headed to the Belvedere Palace, a majestic Baroque complex with royal garden.
There was a monument for Red Army nearby, which we will not be commenting on.
By that time, we had pretty much walked 200,000 steps. So the last hours in Vienna were spent in a park, reflecting on a past week. we are going home. And you know what? I'm ready to go home.
And it's been a pleasure.
It's been a fantastic trip. So yeah, that was our trip, and that was our vlog about Vienna.
Just one thing I want to say is that they don't build houses in Vienna, they just build castles.
Oh yeah.
Every house is a castle.
So next time we are in Vienna, we definitely want to tie it with something more mountainous and alpinesque, if that's even a word.
Nope.
Alpinesque.
So that's the last of our Danube trip vlogs.
I will bundle it into a playlist that you can then binge watch. And next, we are off to Estonia.
So look out for some videos from our home country. We'll be back in 2 weeks' time.
Until then, take care of yourself and each other.
Take care of the beards.
And Olga Muhader.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and look us up on Facebook and Instagram
And Snapchat and Twitter, of
Yes.
course. And look at, check
There's
out
a
one
video
of the,
there.
Yep. It's a good video, you want to see it, so click on it.
So that's one of our previous ones, and thank you.
Yep. Ta-ta. Day 2.